Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rocky. So I think that I'm gonna vlog today. I am at my desk working at the moment, but I do want to just kind of take you along. I have plenty of time. Most of the videos that have been playing for the last, I want to say two and a half weeks or so, have all been pre-recorded. So so I have time on my hands. They all have been pre-recorded and scheduled to run, so I have time on my hands. So while I'm recording this, they will be posting. So this will sort of be in the past or in the future, sort of in the past. I don't know how you want to look at it. So I'm just going to be vlogging in the meantime and to, kind of keep continuing with the content. But I wanted to pick up right here because I just got a shipment in of just random shit that I want to share with you. So I'll start with the fact that I told you guys about this before, charcoal toothpaste that I use. And I've been praising all things charcoal for a while now and been telling you guys to try this, but I just got another shipment of this in. Could have sworn I ordered two for some reason, but I guess I didn't. But these last for a really long time. Then I'm going to show you, oops, I'm going to show you what all of this looks like once I get it all together. But I also ordered, these are all sort of like regular care type things. This is not a haul of any sort. These are just things that I need. But I got another bracelet for my Fitbit. You can't really tell here. For some reason, cameras make everything look so good. But this is starting to like tarnish and it's all scratched up. And this is a gold band for my Fitbit. So I wear the Fitbit every day. But it's a tortoise shell band. And I figured like this plastic band would be better than, I don't want it to be rubber and like sporty looking all the time. So I wanted something that's a little dressy but won't tarnish. So I picked this tortoise shell. It's a plastic resin tortoise shell with a little bit of rose gold accent on it. You can see that. And I thought that would be really classy to wear on a regular basis. So I'm going to install that, and then moving forward, you won't see this anymore. You'll see that, and that's that. Also, during, this whole social distancing thing and all the salons were closed, and I still don't quite trust going to a salon. I wasn't like keeping my nails short like this. I just let them grow out of control. And I'll show some footage of that while we're talking, but I let them grow out of control. And partially is because I don't keep a lot of like manicure equipment at home. I just realized that. So I decided to go on Amazon and buy a little kit. This says, I don't even know what it says, TSEOA, whatever that means. But I thought this was a really neat little kit. It has everything you can think of. Can you see that? Yeah. Everything you can think of in here for your nails. So now I have no excuse. Need to keep all of my nails looking good. I can give myself really good manicures. I have all of the equipment here. And it was really cheap. It seems pretty sturdy. We'll see if that's the case when I actually start to use it. If it like snaps apart when I use it, we'll see. But it was pretty inexpensive. And as usual, I link everything down below when I'm talking about this stuff. But I really needed this nice little case for it. So I'm happy about that. And then lastly, what I got is a new iPad case. The one that I have now is just a flat cover, so if I dropped it, it probably would break. And then additionally, it doesn't have a really good way to prop it up and stand it up. This one has a kickstand, so I can like prop it and still watch without having to hold it. So, and I got pink. I got another one too for my husband, which is in black, but I got pink for me. So that's that. Oh, you know what I should do? I should show you my outfit. I'm actually really feeling it today. Let's see. Maybe I need to flip this around so you can read it. But this is a necklace that I don't know if you've ever seen me wear this before, but let me flip it backwards so you can read it the way it's meant to be read. Does it come up right? Oh, it's upside down. There it is. Can you read that? It says Suge's wife. That's my husband's nickname, Suge. So, it says Suge's wife. So today's outfit is interesting. Don't mind my hair. I didn't do anything with it, but it looks, you probably don't remember this at all. This looks like a shirt, but, I mean, it looks like a dress, but in fact, I got on some little, I don't know if you can see them, some denim shorts underneath, some really short denim shorts underneath, And but this sort of gives you like the illusion of being, demure or whatever. And then here we go. So that's what I'm wearing today. That's today's outfit. I don't bother wearing shoes in the house. I mean, I just wear my UGG house shoes, which I would love to have another cuter pair, but I just wear these. Yeah, so that's a vlog. I'm gonna take you around today so you can see what my day looks like. Again, I'm just working right now, and take you outside on the deck, and whatever errands I gotta run, or if I'm doing anything, I'll just take you with. But that's it for now. So there was another thing that I wanted to show you guys, and you guys know my struggle with plants and such, right? So I don't know what color thumb it is when everything you touch dies, but everything I touch dies. So I had in the past a mint plant, an aloe plant, and I've had a basil plant before. All of them have died. My parents have come to rescue my plants and to just beyond repair. So what they've done is with my last plant that they took, which was a mint plant, I really tried to save it. They couldn't repair it. So they came and brought me another one. And I have a basil plant that I've been trying to grow for the past maybe month. And I'll show you the one that I've been trying to grow, and then the one that they gave me. So look how gorgeous this is. This is the mint plant that my parents brought over just the other day. Look how healthy and pretty this is. This, for now, it's here. I can't think of where else to put it. This is underneath the artwork that you guys remember that I got. For now, this is that. And then let me show you the basil plant that I've been trying to grow for literally over a month. Okay, so this is my basil plant. It looks prettier for some reason here, but if I get closer, you can see like all of this is dying. I've been trying my best, like different tactics to, get it to grow. I put some eggshells in the dirt. I think that's probably what's keeping just these few alive. It's a very pale, it's very light green color here. It looks richer and darker, which now begs me to question, what other colors look different to you guys. But this is it's not really, so I've used some of it before. It's not really flavorful, so it's not doing well. And all the little extra little sprouts that were in here have shriveled and died. These have, some browning going on them. I'm not, and the dirt is moist. You can see that it's nice and moist. I water it regularly, like I'm supposed to, but it just will not flourish. And there's a ton of light, like all of these windows. These are all windows in this room, and I don't understand. But anyway, that's my woes with the plants. So I have another update. So of course we have some more haul stuff to do. I haven't talked about yet, but remember I talked about the gifts that I got? I got a tea kettle, and so it does not whistle when you use it, and because of that I left it on the stove too long and I burned it up. So brand new tea kettle, and you probably looked at the link to see how much it cost already. Super expensive in my opinion. You can kind of see, like, this is where the stainless steel color is. All of it is brown. So I wrote to the company to see if I can get a refund, not a refund, but an exchange. I don't think that's going to happen. They are very slow to respond in general. It's a smaller company, but we'll see if they will honor it. I was like, oh, it turned brown when I used it. I don't think that's the intended outcome. Can you, tell me what I need to do to get an exchange or whatever, or another one? And so they asked for pictures, and we'll see what happens. But I ruined my birthday gift on the very, very first try, on the very first use. Ruined. I have another random update. All this randomness. So you probably remember that on many occasions I have been slurring and speaking differently, and probably notice. I don't know. Maybe you don't notice that this side of my face sometimes it's a little. I don't know. It's weird. I don't have all of my feeling in this region of my face, so I have to speak deliberately and move my face deliberately so it's not noticeable. But with all that being said, I've been going through a whole bunch of dental stuff over the past, I want to say, year and a half now, almost 2 years, in hopes of trying to save a tooth that I couldn't save. I no longer have the tooth. And so now the last resort was, despite efforts to, you know, not have just a missing tooth, it just didn't work out. So now I have to wear a retainer down at the bottom, like now. So I have to wear a retainer. It's really weird. So I only have to wear it at night, which is great. But this keeps my teeth from shifting because of the missing tooth that I have. My teeth are crooked enough as they are, so I don't need them to be any more crooked. So I do have to wear this retainer to at least maintain the level that I do have. But I thought, yeah, random update, but you probably have noticed some changes in how I speak and how I hold my face and things like that. But it's all because of this nightmare of a dental issue that I've been going through. So that is my update. So I think this is where I'm going to wrap up my day. I'm out here with my iPad. I'm going to do a little social media-ing. So basically part of my daily routine is getting caught up on social media, like posting things about my YouTube video, trying to drive up or drum up some traffic. And yeah, just that's pretty much all I do. And then catch up on any responses to any comments that I need to make, things like that. But I just spend a little time doing that. And then I also watch YouTube videos. I am both a YouTube creator and consumer. So that is what I do pretty much every evening. But it doesn't take up like my whole evening, obviously. And then I'll just go in and kind of chill with the hubby for the rest of the night. But I think I'm going to end it here. Relax in my happy space. We talk about this all the time. And yes, I still do have on my slap cap. I didn't take it off all day today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.